Hi, kids. Professor Esther Hester here. And this is Jester, my lab partner. Say hello, Jester. Today, we're going to use science to learn all about the parts of a plant. Plants have a lot of different parts that help them live and grow. The flowers, leaves, stems, and roots. You can't actually see the roots because they're buried under the soil, but I've come up with a little something to solve that problem. Let's take a closer look using my latest invention, Professor Hester's magnificent Microbot machine. And this is how we'll be able to see what the magnificent Microbot sees. Okay, ready to see the parts of the plant like never before? Here we go. See those branches and fibers? Those are the roots. The roots keep the plant in place in the soil and take in water and other materials, called nutrients, that the plant needs to live and grow. This is the stem. The stem holds the plant leaves up so that they can capture the light from the sun. Stems also carry water and food through the plant. I bet you'll never look at a plant the same way again. And I bet Jester will never look at a fly the same way again. Now it's time for today's experiment, which I like to call Professor Hester's Tester. For this experiment, you'll need a few stems of bright white flowers, like carnations. Aw, thanks, Jester. They're beautiful. You'll also need some small jars or cups filled with water and different colors of food coloring. Now, I'm cutting the flowers and putting them in the colored water. Here's a batch I did yesterday. Do you notice a difference? Beautiful, isn't it? The colored water traveled to the flowers through the tubes in the stem. If you don't have any white flowers, you can always use celery. Just cut off the celery stalks at the bottom and stick them in colored water. You want to put them on a sunny windowsill or under a bright light. It will only take about an hour or two for the celery leaves to start to turn the color of the water. Okay, back to the parts of our plant. The leaves use water, nutrients from the soil, sunlight, and something that is in the air called carbon dioxide to make its own food. Many plants have parts that people can eat. The carrots you eat are the roots of a plant. Apples are the fruit of a plant. Lettuce is the leaves of a plant. And celery is the stem of a plant. Whichever part of the plant we eat, it is something that the plant made out of water, carbon dioxide, nutrients from the soil, and sunlight. Amazing, isn't it? And delicious, too. See you next time!